Our warm greetings and welcome to elDoc. We're thrilled to have you here for this transformative tutorial that will revolutionize the way you process your documents. With the most advanced AI technologies at its core, elDoc can capture and recognize data from your documents on the fly, without the need for tedious template setups. Let's dive in and see how it works. First, navigate to the AI document processing menu. Choose the document you want to process and hit that Upload button. While processing time may vary depending on the complexity and number of pages, you won't have to wait long before witnessing the magic unfold. To check the results, simply click on Workflow Status. You'll be redirected to a page where you'll find a list of documents uploaded and processed by elDoc. Click on the most recent document you uploaded, and prepare to check the results. On the right, you'll see the original document you uploaded to elDoc. On the left, behold the sheer brilliance of elDoc as it captures, recognizes, and structures the data from your document. It all happens seamlessly and effortlessly, thanks to the power of AI. But that's not all. With elDoc, you have a range of operations at your fingertips. You can reload recognized data, reprocess the file if needed, cancel the document, and even validate the captured data. In our next tutorial, we'll dive deeper into data validation and customization of fields. But for now, we encourage you to try this functionality for yourself. Upload your own document and witness the magic of intelligent automation. See how elDoc can automate your document processing like never before. Sign up for a free trial today and experience the power of intelligent document automation right away.